TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here, the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up straight after this Tiger Financial News Network noontime update. And we're looking at the Dow up 400 points at 21,610. The futures were up over 1,200 points. Yesterday was a low that took out the low of December of 2018, 21,712 was that low. 21,154 was the low yesterday, 600 points lower. Incredible. So what we're looking at here, and I don't know if any of you have been to any of the supermarkets over the last couple of days, but you'll know that almost anything, paper goods, so much that now it's food, just flying off the shelves. In fact, there are they're empty shelves. To me, that is essentially inviting a recession. So that, I'm only talking stock market wise, right? When it comes to your health, of course, you've got to be as healthy as you can. But I'm just saying that if you're shutting down everything, schools, you've got sports events, the theaters. Here in Boston, we got an email the other day saying, the show must go on. We're going to be staying we're having the show. Boom. Sunday's the last show, and then they're going to cancel for the rest of it, at least for a couple of weeks, maybe months. This is serious stuff. Not only that, you've got lines and lines of people. You're talking about events that you're trying to avoid, and now you've got lines and lines of people. This is really confusing. This is tough stuff. I felt quite nervous this morning. Not so much market-wise. Yesterday's low should have been the low for at least a couple of weeks. And today, futures are up 1,200. Now the Dow's only up 300. The S&P is up 34. There's something wrong with this picture, that's for sure. So let's go through the numbers, and we'll try to deal with it during the show coming up. Dow's up 277 at 21,077. The S&P is up 32. The QQQs are up. We're going to be talking about this. We're going to talk about bonds. Bonds look like they're pulling back. Gold, in fact, they are pulling back, down 50 cents in the TLT. We'll talk about this when we get back. And why is the dollar rallying so strongly? Look at that dollar. I'll be right back. We'll talk about it in great detail in the show, the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up straight after this break.